Hey Siri, close the garage door.
Your garage door is closing.
Thank you. Hello? I don't think I've seen a single car all morning. Hey, I'm here. No, I'm going. Sorry. Hi. Hello. Should I go? Should I go? 5. Oh, yes. I got it. Thank you. That's not good.
Dude, you got a camera on your helmet?
Yeah.
Does that surprise you? No, I mean, yes and no. So, like, what's the purpose of that? Like, if you're in an accident?
Originally, yeah, just to catch. There's always crazy stuff.
Right now?
Yeah. There's always crazy stuff happening that I see all the time, so I started recording it, and then I started watching a guy who vlogs while he rides. So he's talking about his bike and like how people drive and techniques and all this kind of stuff, and so I'm gonna attempt to do it. See, I shouldn't do that. See, we gotta fix that. That little low idle. I don't like that. It's gotta go up a tiny bit. I'm really sad that you have to deliver on a Sunday. Sorry about that. Look at this, baby moons. We stay back far enough, we can probably get it right about here. Because he's gonna pull up right there. He is. Look at that, with the baby moons, the red baby moons, and the cyclones color. And he's got a suit on. It is Sunday. He ain't gonna race. He probably doesn't even know what it's got under the hood. I ain't got nobody to race. Sunday, 75 degrees, nobody to race. Sad day. Look how dirty it is. What's going on?
That was nice, right?
I should have taken the long way. I'll clean it up. No, I'll clean it up. I didn't want to get my hands all dirty. I already washed them and put lotion on my hands. What? You should make the kids wash your car. Bye! What's up, Joseph? It is. Double?
This is for Andrew.
Oh, okay. Do you think this is gonna work?
Oh, that's gonna be sweet, Dad.
Here we have a new camera today. A little bit chilly. 55 or something like that. Why are you looking angry at me? You didn't do nothing.
Whoa. Steady cam.
Whoa.
That's pretty sweet.
You're crazy.
It got cold fast. Cold and rainy. This is not comfortable. Don't worry, I have plenty of time at this light, so I'll put her in neutral. Fix the pant leg. Doesn't smell like bad burning. And it looks like it's coming from over there.